Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit in granite crystal metallic. With LED headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 39,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, heated second row seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D7623G.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.